Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x82072F8F connection problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your Microsoft Store is not opening or showing error code 0x82072F8F, don't worry, this video will solve it step by step. First, right-click on Date and Time in the taskbar. Click Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically. Now click Sync Now. Restart your computer and check Microsoft Store. If it did not resolve your problem, press Windows plus R, type wsreset.exe. Press Enter, a blank command window will open and automatically reset Microsoft Store. After that, try opening the store again. If it did not resolve your problem, right-click on the Start menu, click on Windows Terminal Admin. Paste this command, press Enter and wait. Restart your PC. Now your Microsoft Store error GAX8072F8F should be fixed. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.